There you go, just get comfortable.
I am.
And Mexico traffic, Experimental 6128 Quebec is back taxi to 18 Mexico. So you're here at the Rudder Workshop. We are April, and this is your first time in a small little airplane?
Absolutely.
So
yes.
What's the smallest airplane? Airliners? Is that only?
Yeah.
So this is a really general aviation airplane first one. All right.
Yes.
And I get the privilege to take you up.
And I appreciate it.
And you're here building the rudder, and you're building a 701 rudder.
Correct.
And I met you at Sun and Fun. Right?
Yes.
And we talked all about the airplanes and everything, and you decided to come to the workshop.
Yes. John decided to come.
Right.
And he asked me to.
Right,
So,
right. Yep.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to do a run up here. This is a 701. We got the 100-horse Rotex. And we're just checking the ignition and everything, make sure it all runs good. We're redundant on everything. At 2 spark plugs per cylinder, like your car's only got 1.
Okay.
Mexico, are you going to hold short?
Roger that. I'll hold short, let you come on in.
Thank you.
And we'll load up.
Helicopter 4026 Echo, entering final runway 18 Mexico.
And we'll do kind of a short takeoff, climb out, get out of the area, fly around a little bit, and then we'll come back in and do a short landing.
So kind of explain to me the pedals.
This is these pedals are controlling my nose wheel up front.
Okay.
And the rudder in the back. It's got cables going back there and rods going up to my nose wheel.
Gotcha.
So they're direct link. So on the ground, I'm using the rudder and that. In the air, it's basically I'm using the rudder.
Gotcha.
Even though the nose wheel is still turning in flight, but it's not doing anything like
Mexico
the rudder.
traffic, helicopter 4026 Echo, clear of runway 18 Mexico.
I'll let him get a little further out of the way. And Mexico traffic, Experimental 6128 Quebec is departing 18, will be a local flight to the South Mexico. Here we go.
I gotta give me one of these.
Well, what do you think of your first takeoff?
I loved it.
You got excellent visibility and
Smooth, very smooth.
yeah. I mean, it'll fly hands off.
Yep. Nice.
Yeah, it's a joy to fly. It's just a fun little airplane.
Right.
Now we have it a matched hull kit, meaning everything's pre-drilled and not old school where we had to lay out a lot of lines and cut and trim. It's a very easy, very possible kit to finish within 6 months to a year easy.
Right.
And less than that if you work on it really hard.
I can't explain the views. The views are just phenomenal.
Yeah, it is. We're going so slow and very stable. And there's hands off, just get out here and we'll do some turns. And All right, let me do a turn my way.
Okay.
See right over the skylight there.
You can't even really feel that that's what you're doing. You know, it's just
it's very stable.
very safe, smooth. Okay.
We got to go that way.
I know
gotta
we
show
do.
you.
That was like, I'm glad that door's there.
Now the big question is, put your hand right there.
Okay.
And very little movements up and down. Pull back through. There you go. That's enough. Now go center. Level it. There you go. Right there. Yeah, you're flying it, aren't you?
Okay.
Pull back just a hair. There you go. Right there.
Nice.
You're doing fine. All right, I've got it.
Okay. Yeah.
So you're here at the workshop. You've been working on that rudder about 6-7 hours. What do you think so far, building the rudder?
I think you really, truly have to read through all the directions first.
Yeah.
Clear through.
Yeah, that's what you should do,
yeah.
exactly.
We made some mistakes and had to go back, fix them.
Right.
But now's the time to fix them.
Right.
It's fun.
But you're learning a lot.
Absolutely.
But it's not difficult either.
No.
It's just a matter of following little procedures and instructions.
And don't rush.
Right. And the rest of the kit is just like that. There's no difference. It's just
crosswind for runway 8, Victoria Park.
it's just a bigger section. That's all it is.
Right. Great.
We'll fly around a little bit. Then we'll go in and do a nice, soft, short landing. But this is nice. You know, we're cruising around 75 miles an hour, 80 miles an hour. Yeah, take some pictures if you like. You guys are from where?
We're from Frederick,
Maryland. Okay.
From Maryland, yeah.
Well, I'm glad you came to the rudder workshop so you guys can see what it's all about and maybe build a 701.
So Victor turning base for runway 8, Victoria Park.
That's their goal. I appreciate this.
Oh, yeah. And we'll go in and do a landing here.
Okay.
Mexico, Traffic Terminal 6128 Quebec is 2 miles to the southeast, inbound landing runway 18 Mexico. Alright, we're going to slow her down. And we're going to get it into the white arc. That's our top end for our flaps, so we can deploy the flaps.
Okay.
Going to start our descent. Maintain that, and Mexico traffic, Bremo 701 is turning left base for 18 Mexico. Mexico traffic, Bremo 701 is turning final 18 Mexico. And once we get on final, we'll deploy the rest of the flaps. Okay, there we go. And we're looking somewhere around about 50 for the speed for our approach. Little crosswind, so lowering the wing. That's all there is.
That was marvelous.
Cessna 6343 Delta on the RNAV runway 24, Mexico.
I got done that once or twice.
You're pretty good at it.
Oh no. Boys learning. Yeah, you can open it.
Very nice.
Good.
Can you back up?
Not this one, no.